Hello class, I wanted to show you a website that I found that could be kind of fun to play around with fractions. Let me show you how it works. So at the website there are a couple drop down menus, and you can see them here, and there are some other options up here. I'll show you what each of those is, and then I'll tell you what I'd like you to do with this website. Leave this set to large. On the first day you can experiment around with it. Let's see, mixed gives you like the same fraction bars except they're broken up into different areas. So I'm going to set that back to large, and you'll see at the top there's like a whole, like one whole, and then down here there's a half, and then you could turn it into two halves and that equals 1. But if I take one away, over here the fraction shows up as 1/2. So you can see they're arranged in order as the parts get smaller. Now all of them, if you look at this, can still equal 1. Okay, even if the parts are smaller. I could go all the way down here and look, it's 1/12, and if I fill this up with 12 of them, 9/12, 10/12, 11/12, guess what's going to happen over here as soon as I click this one? Boop. Yep, one whole. So 12/12 fills up the whole thing. Same as 2 halves would fill up the whole thing, just the same as clicking the one whole fills everything else up. Let me show you another one of the buttons up here. This one. The white one empties everything out. This colored one, ooh, it fills everything in. Isn't that pretty? If you wanted to, you could take things away one at a time, or better yet, just hit that button. The number cube here, if you click on this, boom, you get randomness. You can hit it again, and it will give you another random look, another random look. This button is good. I like this. It says click to align all the on brick to the, wait, that doesn't read correctly up there. It says click to align all the on brick to the left side. I'll click the button and see what they mean. Boom, everything shoves over to the left, so that now you can actually compare these fractions. So you can see that 1, 2, 3/4, that fraction is bigger than 2/3 is, and they're both bigger than 1/5. So it gives you a chance when they're all lined up on the left hand side, you can see how much of that one fraction bar is filled up, and you can see which ones are greater and which ones are less than everything. Sorry, 1/5, you lose. What else do we have here? Equivalent fractions. I don't know about that yet. I haven't learned about LCM. That's least common multiple. Advanced, stay out of that one. That's really not that much fun. This pair of buttons here, if you hit hide, it will hide the fraction over here. So you could have to guess, maybe, you know, oh, what's that worth? Well, it's 1/2, silly. What's this worth? 2/3. So anyway, it will hide that from the viewer so that maybe you could ask them questions about what fraction of a bar is colored in, something like that. You click show and it comes back. So this is the website, and I just want you to use it today to play around with it. If there's a keyword that I want you to think about for today, it's explore. So that's what you're doing today. You're going to explore this fraction bar website and see if you notice anything interesting about the fractions. Have fun.